Hello, Palawan! So we are now having our 4-day expedition going to Mount Victoria.
Yeah, and we took the luxury option this time. We hired a porter to carry a lot of stuff, so we only had to have about 10 pounds.
Yeah, going lightweight.
But it is our honeymoon, and we've got
this is our honeymoon
some ice
expedition.
to string up in our sleeping area.
Right.
So it should be very romantic.
Yes, so this is what they call a Bethlehem. So this is the startup point going to Mount Victoria. So we're going to Twin Peaks. So the teeth, first peak is the teeth.
Is the pointy, sharp.
Yeah.
And then to the right is Mount Victoria Peak.
Yeah, and then yeah, the other one is Mount Victoria Peak. Going to do a lot of river crossing on the first day. And then we're going to camp probably in the last river. So tomorrow is going to be a challenging hike. So we are going to walk for an hour in this trail, diba? On this trail. So originally this is a trail going to Mount Victoria, but unfortunately after the Bagyong Odette, so this happens. First 5 minutes. And we're finished with our 5 minutes. Let's go now.
Alright.
Continuing our journey to the north, going to Mount Victoria. First river crossing. Ta-da! Second river crossing. Lunch break here, wow. So what do you have for lunch? A mixture of pancit and pinakbit. So that's how you eat the Filipino food. This is only 5 pesos when I was in high school, and then what we do is we just, you know, cut a little here, you know, at the tip of the plastic, and then we do this.
Yeah, I should have done that. That would have been.
Here comes Kano.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to stay on the trail. There's not much of a trail.
Going to Mount Victoria. Yeah. Meet Victoria. Are we there yet? Sure. Halfway na ba?
Halfway to lower camp.
Halfway to lower camp? Yeah, I took the filter out.
Okay.
Because look at that, the water, no need for filter.
And it's clean too. Drink the water, no need for filters.
Oh yeah. The leech like the Kano blood. The leech is sucking your Kano blood.
Oh, yeah.
How to remove that spray with alcohol. Almost to the first camp.
Patayin ko ah. Paano pinapatay? Parang ganyan nga eh.
Hi. We just got to our camping site. Holy cow! So what we got here? naman yan ng tent mo, Day.
See-through pala.
See-through.
Sa ilalim lang.
Well, look what you got there.
Yeah, I got coffee. Thanks for making it for me.
You got a luxury.
Yeah, I can't hardly move. My ankles don't really want to work no more. The ankles just get tired and they just kind of don't know what to do. It's like they're not connected to your brain.
Right, our muscle.
You can still put one leg in front of the other, but you can't really balance.
It don't connect. We've got that blood-sucking leeches. Good morning.
Pretty cold last night.
Oh, yeah.
I was surprised. Only 550 meters, about 1,600 feet, but it's cold up here next to the river.
Right. Fire in the wood tree. Color red. This is almasiga.
Maybe that's the stuff the natives use for poison tipped darts. They use some kind of sticky stuff from trees.
Bagtik. So there's like a melting. It's like a melting candle, but they use that white stuff for, to start a fire. This right here is the pangolin cave. Another pangolin cave. Bok choy flower. Bok choy is like petchai in the wild. So this is our second camp.
Yeah, 1,407 meters, so it's very cool.
So this is our second night.
Pakbit.
Pinakbet.
Yan, as side dish, ang main course natin ay tinolang manok.
Wow! Tinolang manok for this cold weather. Some of us, not included, put up their tent and hammock here. Ouch! Hello guys! It's 5 minutes before 7 and we are now ascending to the summit. So you said you're gonna climb the highest mountain for me?
Take a break.
Challenging trail.
1,570 meters.
We're at 1,570 meters.
Yeah, we're almost a mile high.
Conqueror.
Conquerist or conqueror? Are you gonna do it again?
No. Never again.
We're not yet there, but we're almost there. The majestic mountain of Palawan! Mount Victoria!
Parang
Going there. That's the summit. How was it?
Nice. Yeah, the climb wasn't so hard this morning like the last couple days. So I guess the body is adapting to climbing.
We reached!
All right, it's day 3 and we reached the summit of Mount Victoria. It's about 8:30 in the morning and it's kind of chilly. It's the only time I've been cold in Palawan, but it's not too bad. It was worth it.
Right, and this is our honeymoon.
Yeah, this is our honeymoon. Happy honeymoon, babe. Happy honeymoon.
That's the peak or the tip. So we are going to that peak, which they call the teeth.